So guys, this video is to show how a GAF system gets installed. You can see on the bottom here and along the rig, this is for a Golden Pledge warranty. We got the ice and water shield running up the, but this is the rake here, and then this is the eaves right here. We also put it around the chimney so that it protects the water from in ice in the wintertime, building up around this. Then you get the drip edge at the bottom. You can see how along the drip edge here we installed the drip edge first, and then after that you install the starter strips right here. And you can see right here in the video, the starter strip goes on first, and then you start installing the shingles over that. They get installed in the stair-step fashion all the way up the roof on top of the felt. The felt buster is GAF's synthetic felt, and that's also required for a Golden Pledge warranty. And then you can see the drip edge also gets installed along the rakes as well. And once we get the shingles all the way on, then you're able to install the ridge vent. You can see the ridge vent has been installed without the cap, and then he's installing the cap right here. He's hand driving it with the nails that come inside of the ridge vent. So this essentially shows every aspect of the installation, that all the components, and then also on the chimney flashing, we get the custom bin, the aluminum metal. You can see that that's what they're doing right now. You have to put a pan flashing in on the back side after you've installed the step flashing, and you have to cut into the brick. You can see that it's custom bent, and then it goes inside the brick, and then when we're finished, we're going to seal that area right there to keep water entry from getting down behind the step flashing. So they haven't installed the shingles yet, but that's what the step flashing looks like right there, and that's going to get installed up on the side of this. So that pretty much covers the installation of a GAF roof system, and pretty quick. Also, something to note when you're installing the ridge vent, you have to cut open. You can see that there's all this sawdust on the roof that they've cut open right here on both sides of it, about 1 inch to 2 inches from the center, so that air can come out of this attic right here. So this will allow the air to come through the ridge vent right there, and then again, it gets the hand-driven, the caps. And this is what the finished product looks like right here. So this section doesn't have any ridge vent on it, but the rest does, so because the heat rises to the highest point. So that covers it.